Hello students, today we shall study derivatives of functions in parametric form. So what are parametric equation? See, define parametric equation. If x and y are expressed in a third variable, then the third variable is called parameter. Equation containing parameter is known as parametric equation. So you can see here in the form parametric equations are in the form x equal to f of t and y equal to g of t is said to be parametric form with t as parameter. In order to find a derivative of function of such form, dy by dt equal to dy by dx into dx by dt, और हम इस तरह से भी कर सकते हैं dy by dx equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So we shall solve for one example here. So see this example. Find dy by dx if x equal to a cos theta and y equal to a sin theta. So given function x is equal to a cos theta. So differentiate x with respect to theta. So dx by d theta is, keep a as it is because constant is with the function. So if constant will come with the function, we have to keep the constant as it is. Differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. So dx by d theta is minus a sin theta and y equal to a sin theta is there. Differentiate again y with respect to theta. dy by d theta equal to, keep constant as it is. Differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. So dy by dx equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. A cos theta divided by minus a sin theta. So a will get cancelled. Cos theta by sin theta is cot theta. So the answer is minus cot theta. This is example 34 in your textbook, part 1 book. Come to the next example. Find the dy by dx if x equal to at square and y equal to 2at. Given that x equal to at square and y equal to 2at. So again differentiate x with respect to t. Here the second second form is t, second function. So dx by dt equal to a, keep it as it is because a is constant. Differentiation of t raised to 2. So we have studied already the differentiation of x raised to n is n x raised to n minus 1. So here n is 2, t raised to 2 minus 1 means t. So it is 2at. And dy by dt equal to 2a, keep it as it is. Differentiation of t is 1 because we are differentiating t with respect to t here. So dt by dt is 1. So differentiation of 2at is 2a. And dy by dx equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. 2a divided by 2at. 2a will get cancelled. 1 by t will be your answer. Come to the next example. Example 36. Find dy by dx if x equal to a, theta plus sin theta, y equal to a, 1 minus cos theta. Now differentiate x with respect to theta. Dx by d theta equal to, keep it a as it is. Differentiation of theta is 1 because we are differentiating x with respect to theta. Therefore differentiation of theta is 1 and differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. This is dx by d theta and this one is dy by d theta. So keep it a as it is. Differentiation of 1 is, constant is 0, minus differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. That minus and this minus will become plus here. So it is a sin theta. Now dy by dx equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. dy by d theta is a sin theta divided by a 1 plus cos theta. So a will get cancelled. Differentiation of sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Here also differentiation of 1 cos theta is cos square theta by 2. So by cancelling we will get tan theta by 2. Now come to the next example. Find dy by dx if x equal to 2 raised to 3 and y equal to x raised to 2 by 3 plus y raised to 2 by 3 equal to a raised to 2 by 3. Here we have to take the substitution as x equal to a cos cube theta and y equal to a sin cube theta. So put in place of x as cos cube theta, in place of y as sin cube theta. So take a raised to 2 by 3 common. So 3 will get cancelled. This numerator and denominator 3. Here numerator and denominator 3 will get cancelled. take outside a raised to 2 by 3 and in bracket cos square theta plus sin square theta will remain, and this is the identity. The value of cos square theta and sin square theta is 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So a raised to 2 by 3. So x raised to 2 by 3 plus y raised to 2 by 3 equal to a raised to 2 by 3. Hence x equal to a cos cube theta and y equal to a sin cube theta are parametric equation of x raised to 2 by 3 plus y raised to 2 by 3 equal to a raised to 2 by 3. Therefore we have to take x equal to a cos cube theta and y equal to a sin cube theta. Differentiate x with respect to theta, dx by d theta. A keep as it is. Differentiation of cos cube theta, x raised to n form we have to take first. 3 cos square theta into differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. So it will become minus 3a cos square theta sin theta. Take y equal to a sin cube theta. Differentiate dy by d theta. Keep a as it is. Differentiation of sin cube theta, x raised to n form, 3 sin square theta into differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. So dx by d theta is this much and dy by d theta is this much. So find dy by dx equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So 3a will get cancelled. Sin theta by cos theta will remain, that is tan theta, and tan theta equal to y by x. Here you have taken x as a sin theta, a sin theta, and a cos sin cube theta, and x as a cos cube theta. So tan theta means it will become y by x, cube root of y by x. In next video we shall solve exercise 5.6.